and welcome to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will be discussing about customer master, which is present in master, customer / vendor and customer. As we click on customer, a similar screen comes up which has the same menu options like home, view, options as explained earlier in our earlier videos. In home we have the existing sheet in front of us which has customers like Gopal, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Verma and their details like alias, address, station, locality, phone, mobile, fax, email ID, pin code, date of birth, date of wedding and more details. These parameters and details can be set, as you know, by right click and going to set grid layout and then changing the settings and then saving it. As you know, in home we have options like new, edit, form view, print, delete and refresh. In view we have preview, print options, grid layout, save layout, and in options we have export to Excel, system maintenance, log reports, send SMS, export import data and detail search. Now in home we can create a new customer by clicking on new and entering in the details of the customer in customer details and price list. Let us understand this by selecting Mr. Gopal and editing him and his details. So name is Mr. Gopal, alias is this. He is not a defaulter. If he is a defaulter, we can click on this checkbox with he is a defaulter and select the date. We can also print the card for this particular customer. In customer details we enter address, station, locality, pin code, fax, mobile, phone, email, web address, date of birth, date of wedding, bank account, carrier, then posting account details, contact person, price / discount references, refer by settings. We can enter the refer by details here. Then other license details like TIN number, CST number, DL number, PAN number and license 5, their issue date and the valid till date details, the payment mode whether it is cash or credit, series prefix A. So when we create a sales invoice and select Mr. Gopal, automatically series will start from A. So first invoice will be A1, then A2 and A3 and so on. We can set the credit limit 1000 rupees. We can set the credit days 30 days or we can again change it. The overdue days. We can see the pending bills if any. If there is no pending bill, we can quit. Also we can select the location here like head office or can create a new location by clicking on new. Now we go to price list. Herein we select the prices that we set for this particular customer. If it is a standard product price, that is the standard price of the product, we click on product standard and then save. Also we can copy it from customers, like for example we click on copy from customer and then we select Mr. Sharma and click on update. So we update it. We can also select it from refer by, again select and update. Product standard and product latest, the difference is product standard is the standard rates of the products which are there. Product latest is the latest rates of the products which are in the latest stocks available. Also we can select the products from here in product filter and set the details and update. We can also import any sheet which is available in our local drive and can import it and then finally save it. This is the customer master. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.